Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on the look that I am currently wearing. I don't know why I always do that, I just do. Anyways, I created the look using the Colourpop collab with Kathleen Lights. It's their palette called Dream Street. It's a really gorgeous palette. If you guys haven't already seen it, the colours are so beautiful, so I thought I would give it a go. I know everyone is like going for similar looks, but I thought I'd try this out and see how it turns out. I kind of like it. I kind of like it, but anyways, if you guys are interested, stay tuned for the rest of the video. First things first, I'm gonna prime my face with this Colour Effects mattifying primer. This is gonna help with my pores, and it's got some amazing anti-acne treatment in there, and it always helps with my nose area. So yeah, I'm gonna put that all over my face just for a little bit of extra preventing of oil seeping through, because we all know I'm oily AF. So I'm going to use this Colour Effects mattifying setting spray, but I like to use this underneath as well because it just makes sure everything stays in place. Okay, so next onto foundation, I'm going to use these two foundations. These are my favourites on their own, but I also like to mix them up together because this is a really matte foundation and this is quite dewy. So this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect, and this is in the shade Warm Beige. And then I've got the Estee Lauder Double Wear in, what colour is this? This is 2N1, this is Desert Beige. I find that this is too neutral for me, so I like to mix them together and apply this all over my face. So for concealer, I am going to use the Colourpop, what is this? The No Filter Concealer in Light 20. This is currently like my favourite concealer. I've been enjoying using this, so I'm just going to use this to highlight everywhere. I highlight normally and then I'll set it with a powder. My whole face, I'm going to use the Kat Von D translucent powder with this Morphe brush, which one is it? The G35, and I'm just going to set the under eyes and everywhere else that I need setting with this translucent powder because it's really nice and very smoothly and very finely milled. Contour, highlight and blush, I am going to use this Tarte Hamptons Weekender contour palette. It's got a nice array of colours in here. It's got a beautiful blush, and then it's also got a nice bronzer and a highlight, and I really want to use these and test them out for the first time. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use for my contour and blush today. I don't know if I like that, that's a bit weird. Like, it's not applying as smoothly as I would like it to. Okay, I still don't like it. Like, it's not blending as nice as I would like it to. Oh, Tarte, why'd you do this to me? Okay. If I put blush on, I'm just going to go into this Colourpop bronzer. It's Private Party, I think that's what it's called, and I'm just going to like try to smooth everything out because I don't like this. Okay, that's a lot better for what I see anyways. That wasn't fun. Okay, I'm just gonna like try to even everything out because this is a little bit weird. But the blusher colour in here doesn't disappoint as much as the bronzer has. Maybe I'm just using it a little bit weird. Let's see. Please be nice. I'm gonna stipple it on. There's so much colour. Happening. I'm not liking this today. I like looking like a clown. Okay, I feel like that blusher is way too pigmented. It needs to like tone down. Like, I hardly even like put my brush into the powder. I'm gonna like get my beauty blender and try to blend it out. So let's just go into the highlight and get this over with. Hopefully it's not as brutal as the other two, I guess. Let's see what happens. Okay, I like that. The highlight is probably the best thing about this. Maybe it's not applying as nice as I would like it to, but okay, I am going to apply some on my nose just for the sake of this video, but when I go out I wouldn't do this. Okay, and then also some under my brow bone before we do the eyeshadow, because it'll be fun. Okay, so for my eyes we are going to use the Colourpop Dream Street palette, the collaboration with Caffeine Lights, just because some of the colours in here are really to die for and I really wanted to use them, so I'm going to be using this palette. So yeah, let's just get on with the eyes. First colour I am going to take is this one, and I'm going to apply it everywhere but all over my lid just to create a base colour. And when you do your foundation first, if you are going to go for like a dark smoky eye like I am about to do, make sure you always tap off excess powder from your brush just so it doesn't like fall out everywhere, because that won't be fun. Well, this colour is not what I thought it was going to be. Guys, I went into the wrong colour. Let's just make it work, I guess. Okay, let's just start building it in the crease. You're so clever. I'm just going to bring it down all over the lid because I've done it on the other side as well, just to like make it look even. Otherwise, if I apply different colours on top, it's just not going to look the same, and we don't need that in our lives right now anyways. Okay, so next colour I'm going to go into is this brownie shade. It is called Twinkle. I hope it's called Twinkle. It's called Twinkle, and we're just going to also add this to the crease, but we're going to bring it into our brow at the front especially. So one thing I always do when applying eyeshadow after I've done my base is always bring a nice neutral shade into my brow. Sometimes it won't be a neutral shade, it just depends on what I'm wearing, and then bringing some down on the side of my nose just to make it look like it's more blended in and it looks more contoured in a sense. I don't know what I'm talking about, guys, but you guys will see once I start to do it. It just looks a little bit more like it meshes all in. The next colour I'm going to go into is Sweet Dreams. This is a very pretty pinky red colour. It's very pretty. I'm just going to take a smaller brush, apply this in my crease and intensify it a little bit. These colours are super pigmented. It's like kind of scary how pigmented they are. For the scary bit, we are going to go into the colour right here. It's Potion. It's a beautiful teal green. Like, I'm scared to use this, but let's hope this goes okay. Let's just do this very slowly, because when you're applying dark colours, go slow. Always go slow. Okay, so I'm just going to apply some to my outer V because it's a nice area to put dark colours. Actually, I don't even know what I'm doing, guys. Don't want to put too much in one go because then we can't fix it, can we? And I'm also going to apply some onto the inner side of my eye. So we're going to create a kind of halo. I'm going to go into the colour Kaleidoscope, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Maybe we should have put the whole thing all over the lid, but it's fine. We can make this work. What I'm going to just do for the time being is go into the shade Water Bearer. Okay, Water Bearer. And we're going to apply that to just a little bit of my crease just to make sure everything is smooth and transitioning nicely. And then we can always go back in to the green shade and make sure that it looks popping because it's not at the moment once I start to blend. I'm just going to go back into Kaleidoscope and pat it on my lid just to intensify it a little bit more. I'm going to take the shade Mermaid Boy and I'm just going to apply this to the center with a flat top brush. For my lower lash line, what I'm going to do is I'm obviously going to try to mimic what's going on there, but I'm going to start off with this colour which is called Moony. It's a very gorgeous deep brown shade and I'm just going to get it on like a flat liner brush and then I'm just going to press it onto my lower lash line just so it's like really close up. And then next I'm going to take Water Bearer again and I'm just going to apply it on this little brush and I'm just going to blend it out before I add any more colour. Go into Sweet Dreams and do the exact same. I'm just going to take Kaleidoscope and I'm just going to use this flat liner brush and I'm just going to line the underneath of my eyes with it. Okay, so then I'm going to take Mermaid Boy again. I'm just going to pop it in my inner corners. Using this Scandalous Eyes by Rimmel eyeliner kohl pencil, I'm just going to line the insides of my eyes. Of the waterline anyway. Before I go into brows, I'm going to take this mascara from Essence. It's the Lash Princess mascara and I'm just going to apply this to my eyes before I add some falsies. I think I'm going to add falsies because this look needs falsies. The unicorn lashes in Forget Me Not. Now we're going to go into the brows. The Colourpop brow pencil. I'm going to start off by brushing my brow upwards on both sides, combing out any like excess product that's in them at the moment, like the foundation and the concealer. I've got hair everywhere, but just brushing them upwards gives me an idea of what shape I want to go for. Like I like my natural shape clearly because they're nice and thick, but just gotta fill them in a little bit. Okay, not going to use too much product because then they're going to look really black, but for now we're just going to go in and start applying a tiny bit of product in like little strokes, like hair-like strokes. So it looks super natural but not intense. For my lips, I'm going to take Elle by LimeCrime and I'm going to apply this and then I'm going to add a bit of Abu Dhabi by NYX. It's their soft matte lip cream on top and then I'll see what it looks like and if I like it then we'll add a little bit of gloss. To top my lips off and add a little bit of shimmer, I'm going to take Moonchild by Colourpop. This is one of the lip products in the collab with Kathleen Lights. Yay! Just to finish everything off, a little bit more setting spray. So this is the completed look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!